Hi everyone, welcome to this new tutorial video of how to live stream to YouTube through OBS. Now, I haven't done a tutorial video before. It took me probably about an hour just to set up this screen sharing. I had to do it through Zoom, so I did the best that I could. I took my phone and I placed it on the floor in the other room and faced it towards the guitar to make it, because I didn't want to stream a black screen. So this is all I got. This is the best I could do. So this picture, the stream of the camera that I have on my phone, this isn't actually connected to OBS. So right now there's nothing on my OBS screen. It's just a black screen, but I put my Zoom camera on OBS to make it look like I'm actually streaming something. So what I've been doing for the past year is I've been working with the Uxbridge Bruins junior hockey team. I've been live streaming as the video coordinator for the team. And what we would be doing is I would be taking my Panasonic AGUX 180 camera on my tripod. I would connect it to a live stream capture box. I would connect it to my laptop computer. Then I would copy the URL stream from YouTube, put it into OBS, and then go back to YouTube, start the stream, and that's how we would be broadcasting the games through the Uxbridge Bruins YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial of how to actually set up a live stream through this OBS software. So what we're going to do is I got my YouTube channel here. I'm gonna minimize this, so I'm at least gonna move this out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So let's just move the camera out of the way here for now. This is my YouTube channel. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to create and we're gonna go to go live. Now, when you go to go live, it's gonna come up with stream, webcam, and manage stream on the left-hand side here. So even though we are going to update the title and description and the playlist and the thumbnail, we're going to go to stream. Now, this is going to allow you to update the title, the category, the privacy of how your stream wants to be. So if you want to broadcast it live, then you would click on public. If you want it to be not viewable to the public, but you still want to have access to the video, you would go to unlisted. And then for private, you can set it to the privacy settings so that way you can share it for just individual people. So we're going to copy the URL stream from YouTube and we're going to go into OBS. Then if you go into settings, go to stream and then select use stream key. Now you're going to paste that URL key that we just got from YouTube. You're going to select OK. Now that it's connected, obviously there's nothing starting up yet. So we're just going to say episode record. This is a test. Okay. We're going to go down. We're going to make sure that it's private so nobody can see it right now. Click done. You want to make sure that no, it's not made for kids, because this isn't made for kids. So you want to make sure that's selected, and then you're going to click save. So now we have the privacy settings selected to private. So when we start the stream, nobody that's following me on my YouTube channel or just anybody can go and view this practice stream. So now there's two ways you can start a YouTube stream. So if we go back into OBS, go back to settings, go to stream, you will see, let me move my camera out of the way here. So there's two ways, as you can see here. You can either use the stream key that we just used, or you can connect the actual YouTube channel account to OBS. So once it's connected, you would just go back into YouTube and then click go live. Now that's what I do for work. But for the purposes of this stream, we are going to just use the stream key. Since the stream key is already set, make sure that the video resolution is at 1920 by 1080. And this is all pretty general basic stuff, so we can just click go I will be doing a few other tutorials later in the future of the other option to use to stream to YouTube. So that would be the go live button. I'll be doing tutorials on how to connect a capture card box to the computer to live stream out to, say, YouTube or Facebook or Twitch or however you want to stream. That is for a later tutorial. But for the process of this one, what we're going to do is, since we connected all of our URL keys into OBS from YouTube, we are going to click start streaming. When we click go start streaming, we go back to YouTube and the stream has started. Now, obviously there's nothing here because we're streaming to black, but that is how you would connect a YouTube stream through OBS using the URL key and the OBS software. So now that we've got this whole live stream set up, we're streaming out, say we're streaming out to the public, the stream is finished. We want to make sure that the stream is done. So what you're going to do is you can either go back to OBS and you can click stop streaming, or you can easily just go back to YouTube and click end stream. So there's a couple ways that you could do that. For this purpose, we are going to go to YouTube here and we are going to end stream. Now, once you end the stream, you won't be live anymore. So once we click end stream, congrats, your stream has now successfully finished. Say you want to go back and review it, see what you streamed. So as you can see now, before we do that, as you can see here in the stream finished box, it will give you the amount of views, the chat rate, the peak concurrence. So who watched your stream? How many viewers did you end up watching? How many viewers did you end up receiving right before you ended your stream? The duration of the stream, the total watch time. So it gives a broad perspective, the stats of what happened in your live stream. So what we're going to do is we're going to click dismiss. And just like that, the stream's finished. So we're going to go back to OBS here. We're going to click stop streaming. So OBS has stopped. The URL is finished. If you wanted to start that stream up again, unfortunately, you couldn't use that same stream key. You would have to create a new YouTube stream. You'd have to copy the new URL and then paste that one into OBS. So unfortunately, you have to copy a new URL key in order to start a new one. You can't just use the same one over because the live stream has ended. Now our stream is finished. Say we want to go back to view our live stream and see how it turned out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our channel. So now this is the whole channel. So this is my YouTube channel. Everything that I've posted, everything, all my subscriptions, everything is here. So you might think if you go into videos, it's not there. What you have to do is you have to go into the left-hand column here. You have to click your videos and it'll take you into the YouTube studio page. This is where all of the magic happens, as I call it. You got all your videos that you uploaded. You got your playlists that you've built. So I have promos, I have interviews, I have short films. I'll have to add another one for tutorials. But if you click on the live, here is our live stream. Now I've saved a thumbnail image for this live stream, but if you click on it, obviously we were streaming out black, so there's nothing there. But in a future tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect the capture card box to your live stream, to OBS, into YouTube, so you can actually live stream out content, but that will be for a later tutorial. So everything is here. That's how you want to view it. And so since we don't want to keep this, we're just going to click delete forever. Now, I do want to mention something before I click delete. Say you just streamed a whole broadcast. You want to download it so you can edit it and then put it back up on your YouTube channel for others to see in case they couldn't tune into the actual live stream. All you would do is click download, and right below your page here, it will start downloading. Now, depending how long your stream was, it could take a couple hours. So say we streamed a hockey game like I've done in the past, it takes at least an hour or two to download. If you streamed like a 5-minute video, maybe 5 minutes of a download. Then if you go back to your Finders page, go into downloads, and it will appear somewhere in your downloads folder here. So that is where you would find your downloads if you wanted to go back and get access to that live stream. So since we don't want this video anymore, we're just going to click delete forever. You have to make sure you click the I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone button. And then once you click delete forever, the stream is gone for good. So that is this tutorial for how to set up a live stream using a YouTube URL and OBS software. I hope this was helpful. There will be more tutorials coming out in the future on how to live stream. If you guys would like any more clarification on how to set up the stream, I will put a link down below of a step-by-step tutorial of how to set up the process. It will probably even be like a Google Docs document for you to check out. I will also show you another tutorial later in the future of how to connect your mobile phone. So like the one I have right now with the guitar here, I will show you a tutorial later on of how to connect your iPhone to a Zoom call of how to live stream. So that will be a future tutorial, but with that being said, that is all I've got for you guys. Thanks so much for tuning into this tutorial. Really appreciate it. Make sure you give a like or a subscription, whatever you guys prefer, and we will see you in the next tutorial.